start from here. These are the Indo-Gangetic Caribbean, then Sivalik, then the Lesser Himalayan, similar sequence, Jatho, Chail, and others. And after that, you get the Higher Himalayan. But it is on the other, the southern side of the Suture, Indo-Suture. So you get here this Kulularji window and the Shali window, the Deovan window, and other things. Then after that, finally, you get into Indo-Suture.
आपने आज ही खिला दिया फौरन एकदम फ्रेश है
हाँ हेलो So you can see this here. The same map is right in last. Now this is one place, Lamayuru. Here you get the these sediments. After Indus River was once dammed. This is Kargil, the famous place where a lot of our soldiers have fought and lost their lives. This is because certainly what happens, the Pakistani side is a gentle incline. When you are vertically, then from here, somewhere here it will be Dras, and there's the coldest place in India. I think second coldest place in the world. We don't get sunlight there for more than an hour. Bara Shigri. Now this is Bara Shigri. If you look at this dish here, you see this. This is the snout. This is the snout. And in fact, I don't know why the eastern side melts faster. So in 1906, when the cave was here, and in 1956, when Jiyanath went there, the cave was here. And 1963, the cave was again here. So this shifting of the caves must have something to do with its melting and the overlying spree and all that. Now, Bara Shigri, this name means big. Bara Shigri means stone covered. Actually, there's a lot of moraine here. You see, these are the lateral moraines. This is the left lateral and this is the right lateral. And we have a medial moraine and you have a lot of terminal moraines here. But coming to Bara Shigri, we had to first cross Rota. Our journey started sometime in May. Srikantia, myself, and S.K. Viswas, he was our surveyor. We three went up to Kulu. Then we went to the ADM Kulu, because Kulu is subdivision under Kangra district. The ADM Kulu was very friendly, very nice, very polite, but he said, I have no messages from your headquarters, so I cannot do anything for you. It was such a shocking thing. See, because first thing we were asked to go there, we had nothing. No dress, no iron equipment. We had only a telescope and a flint table. Some very bad chisels and hammers for something. No woolens were provided. We had to buy our own woolens, heavy woolens. Balaklava care and all that, gloves. We had no shoes, mountain shoes, so we had to use our own hunter shoes. And for 3-4 months, we knew we'll be in a no man's land. We had to carry all our foodstuff for that. So we didn't have much money except in 1 month's tea advance was given. So with that, whatever we would buy, Srikantia, myself, and because we three pooled the money together and we purchased our rations, packed them into different boxes. Then Kullu, we stayed in a rest house one night. Next day, we moved to Manali. When we went to Manali, he had also helped us to get an accommodation in the same rest house where Pandit Nehru used to go and spend his holidays. So we were feeling very happy. There were a lot of chestnut trees in that rest house. Beautiful place. In those days, Manali was hardly any crowd, very small hill station. Then we went and saw the Hidimba temple. Hidimba is that Ghatot's mother. We had to now arrange, and we had been given a rickety jeep. So, usme somehow or other we could go up to Zala and a little beyond. There was no road, it was only rough cut surface. Trailer could not be pulled by the jeep. So, we went on four-wheel driveway. We went up to Kuninala. Beyond that, there was the road was not there, and the water in the Kuninala